What back?
I don't believe it. There are people with woolly jumpers just like mine.
Woolly jumper?
Yeah,
Just like Tootles.
I don't believe it. Even the teddy bear's got one.
He's got one like Tootles.
Hello, excuse me.
Yes?
Where did you get all those woolly jumpers?
Over there at the knitting factory.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Knitting factory, Rosie.
Come on.
Right. Oh, right. Life jacket.
Jim,
Huh?
what's this?
Ooh, woolly wool, Rosie.
Yeah, Jim. Where does it go?
Rosie,
Yeah.
follow the wool.
Follow the wool.
Follow the long wool.
Wool, wool. Follow the wool.
Follow the long wool.
Come on, Jim.
Oh, I am sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Is that right that you make jumpers like this one here?
Yes, this is a knitting factory. We make clothes out of wool. In fact, we're making some just like that at the moment. Would you like to come in and see?
Oh, well, if that's all right, yes.
Yes,
Thank
of
you.
course it is, yeah. My name's Stephen. How do you do?
Right.
Who are you?
Neil. Hello.
Hello.
Rosie,
Yeah?
this is a knitting factory.
Yeah? Jim, they make lots of woolly clothes here. Would you like to see?
Yeah.
Right, come on. Wool, follow the wool.
Follow the long wool.
This is a knitting machine, Neil. It's knitting a sleeve for a jumper just like yours.
Right. Clever machine.
Rosie,
Yeah?
look at this clever machine.
Yeah, it's knitting a woolly jumper, Jim.
Yeah.
This is a sleeve.
All right.
Sleeve, Rosie.
Yeah, sleeve.
This is a back.
Right.
Back, Jim.
Yeah. Back.
And this is a front.
Oh, it suits you.
Oh, and front.
Yeah, that's front, Rosie.
Ooh, follow the wool, Jim. Wool, wool, follow the wool.
Follow the long wool.
Wool, wool, follow the wool.
Follow the long wool.
Wool, wool, follow the wool.
Follow the long wool.
Wool, wool, follow the wool.
Follow the long wool.
And this is where we sew the jumper together, Neil.
Right.
Jim, she is sewing a woolly jumper.
Rosie, sewing it all together.
Shall we go?
Oh,
Oh, that's okay. Now we're sewing the collar onto the jumper, Neil.
Rosie,
yeah?
more sewing.
Yeah, Jim, sewing the collar on the jumper.
Ooh, colour, colour, colour.
So, Neil, that's how we make a woolly jumper.
Oh, thank you, Stephen. I've really enjoyed the day.
Hang on a minute, Neil.
What?
I think something's happened to your jumper.
How did that happen?
Oh,
Oh, no.
How did that happen?
Well, it's lucky we made a new one. You can have this one if you like, Neil.
Oh, really?
No problem.
Oh, thank you. And thank you for showing me around.
That's okay. Bye then.
Bye-bye.
Rosie, Doc wants to know if you've nearly finished our knitting machine yet.
Well, you see... you see, Jim, I'm just doing a few adjustments to it, and then I'll be ready.
Right, Doc. Now our lovely knitting machine is ready. You ready? Here we go, Rosie. Here it comes. Whee!
Here it comes. Wally! Banana!
Banana?
Jim, I think our knitting machine needs a little bit of fine-tuning.
Okay, Rosie. More wool.
Yeah.
More wool for Duck's new
Oh,
jumper.
lovely, Jim.
Whee!
Wally? 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 Jim?
Yeah?
It's sausages!
Sausages?
Woolly sausages? Oh, no, Jim!
Oh dear, sorry, Duck.
I think our knitting machine needs a little bit of tweaking.
Right. Rosie, I'll send lots of wool this time.
Yeah, lots and lots, please.
Yeah, okay. Right, here it comes, Rosie.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
More wool,
Thank
and lots
you.
of wool, lots more wool. Here it comes.
Oh,
A nice
here it
new woolly. Woolly!
Woolly? Oh, duck jumper!
Hooray! A woolly jumper for Duck. Do you like your nice new woolly jumper, Duck?
Tootle?
Hey, Doug, you've got a new jumper too. That's very nice. Oh, I do like my new jumper. Whoa! I'm coming apart, I'm all undone. My jumper's snagged on something and trouble's just begun. Minute by minute it's getting no better. Soon I won't have a woolly sweater. Hey, woolly sweater. Hey, oh, oh, hey, oh.
Oh, Jim. Tootle's got that woolly sweater.
Jump, 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 jump. Wow.